This is our phonics lesson for Tuesday, April 7th, pages 179 and 180. Please take out page 179 out of your tote bag, write your name at the top, and get ready to follow along with me. For number 1, we need to mark the vowels and just read the words. They've marked the vowel in this first word with a short vowel sound for I. The word is gift, gift. And this next word, I have an I and an E. The I says its name, hive. Here I have two E's. The first E will say its name, fee. Over here I have an O and an E, poke. In this last word there's only one vowel. It is the short U sound I will hear, dump. Okay? For number 2, what I need to do is choose a word from the list to complete each sentence and write the word in the blank. So my words that I have to choose from are over here on the right hand side. I have ache, I have eel, I have us, and sun. Let's read the first sentence and see which word will fit in best. Tom ate his lake, meal, bus, or sun. He ate his meal. MEAL. Next sentence. Jill will ride the, she can't ride the meal, I've already used that one, lake, bus, or sun. Well, you can only ride a bus, so the answer is bus, B-U-S. The next sentence, Rick got wet in the, well, is it lake or sun? Obviously, lake. L-A-K-E. And that only leaves me with the last word, which is sun. So God made the sun. S-U-N. For number 3, I need to fill in the dot under the letter that completes each word. So the first one, I have a K, a blank, and an M. I know this is someone's name because it starts with an uppercase K. So it could either be K-M or K-om. I'm going to guess the name is Kim. That makes more sense. Okay, over here, I only have one vowel space, so it's going to be a short vowel sound. So is it G-um or G-am? Gum is correct. So I'm going to color in the dot under the U. The next one, I have that E on the end, so I know the E is going to make the vowel, whichever vowel I say or choose, say its name. So hide or hide? Well, hide makes more sense, so I'm going to choose the I. Over here, I have an empty spot for a vowel plus an A. So this A is going to make that vowel, whatever vowel I put here, say its name. So it's either going to be an O or an E. So the first one would be k-oat or k-eat. I'm pretty sure that keat is not a word, but coat is. So I'll choose the O. Again, here I have that magic E that's going to make this vowel say its name. So is it g-ite or is it g-ate? Gate is the correct word. Finally, I have just one vowel here, so it'll be a short vowel sound. Again, it starts with an uppercase T, so that means it's someone's name. It's a proper noun. Or t-om. Let's go with Tom. Okay, now let's look at the back of our phonics page and complete this, okay? What we're going to do is You can see these frogs are holding up blends. This frog is holding up the TR, which says tr. This guy is holding up the CL, which says cl. This guy has a digraph. He has SH, which says shh. That's a little bit different than a blend. It's two letters that make one sound. Shh. The S and the H don't each say their sound. They say one sound together. Down here we have another blend, ST, and that says st. Here we have BR, br. And finally we have DR, dr. So we just have to figure out which blend or digraph goes at the beginning of each of these. The first picture is stop. Well, if I look at it, they give me the answer right there. So I know it's the ST. So this frog has been used. I can cross him out. The next picture is a clock. Clock has the cl sound. That's going to be the CL. So I can cross out this frog. Down here, I have the ending sound. This is a fish. So I have f, I, sh, sh. It's that digraph, SH, that says shh. I need to fill that in. Okay, coming down, I have a dress. Dress. I have the DR sound. I need to cross out the DR. Then I have a brick. Brick has brick. And finally, I have train. 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 All right. Make sure you've checked your work and that you've completed all of it, and then you can put that away.